hit him one just because it's not great. We only made 50 on, oh no, 30 on that. Break time, might try and get in a second move. Kind of want to get a bit higher of a move, probably from the 60 area. We'll leave an order out for that. Just do that. We'll leave those two out, because if it comes down, we can just kind of scalp a move. We'll kind of just play it like that, try and just scalp some moves out of these. As you might try and do it market. There we go, in with 3 contracts. Average now 54. Wait for a bit of a breakdown, then we can cut out. Tiny breaking down a tiny bit now. Might just get one field just in case. Okay, no, that's right. Break out another one again. We just kind of break out of this position. Might close that final one out. If we fade down, that's fine. Made a bit more money on that. If it spikes back up before kind of getting that second fade, we can just grab in some more contracts. But it's not too bad. $210 in 3 minutes.